Yeah, here we have an Enco 7" by 10" mini hobby lathe, and it is used. Doesn't show much signs of use. There's some metal shavings on it. Does have some minor issues. I'm just going to show you that right now. There's a little keyway it's missing right here, so you really can't put any of these change gears on here. Okay, to test the unit, but however the longitudinal feed shaft does operate. Okay, and the 65 tooth gear right here, it looks like that may have been on there. It's damaged, it's cracked. All the rest of the gears are in good shape. Okay, I'm going to just fire it up for you and just show you that it does operate. There's forward. We turn the unit on. That's the high speed. We just turn it off, switch it over to the low. Okay. Turn it off, hit it reverse, go in the opposite direction. It appears that all the mechanical functions operate on it fine. Tailstock that operates. Then your manual longitudinal feed. It seems to be operational. It's not loose, it's real tight. You see some metal shavings right here. Looks like brass or copper. That's how you engage the longitudinal feed. Then we had the cover off just to show you what's going on here. Also, it only has one cover screw. Okay, the other one is missing. Just a metric hex bolt. It includes 3 extra jaws, some tools, spare fuse, and then you get your change gears here and your chuck key. Now, overall, it's in good condition. Like we said, it doesn't show too much signs of use. And we thank you for looking at our product.